Another episode of First Try Friday. First Try Friday. DJ, what's up? First Try Friday.
What?
First Try Friday.
Yeah.
Yep. Ready?
Today's Friday.
Are you ready for a First Try Friday? I want a melon and an ollie frontside flip on the bank. Yeah, you can.
I hurt my ankle, man, remember?
First Try Friday.
I hurt my ankle.
No? Oh, you can't ollie frontside flip one. Oh, well then just
How about the airwalk? That's dope.
No, I want a frontside flip.
Why? Alright.
Frontside flip on the bank. Melon and frontside flip on the bank. First Try Friday. Oh yeah. First Try Friday. It's all day. Hey Cody. First Try Friday. Dale. It's happening right now. First Try Friday. I called your name. He's gonna do a First Try Friday. Melon frontside flip on the bank. DJ's First Try Friday. Watch out. Your acne's in the way.
Sorry.
Frontside flip. Oh! No First Try Friday. Second Try Friday. Woo!